If you hate the stock Buick Encore armrest as much as I do, I think you're going to love this. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda. I'm in my Buick Encore. This is a 2018, kind of your standard Encore. I think these have been around since 2014 and pretty similar now. Encore, not Encore GX. And this armrest, as you can see here, is terrible. I hate it. It's thin, it's small. There is no armrest for anyone else here. There isn't a lot of space here, but a lot of people hate this armrest. They want something that's a little larger. They want an armrest that the passenger can use, and I think I might have solved all of that with this. All right, so let's take a look in this box. It's by Ratty Automotive. Ratty? I don't know. But obviously this is the piece that everyone is going to be intrigued by, and it's an armrest, and it is much wider, although there's only a certain amount of space between the two seats. So I would call this maybe 80% wider than the standard armrest. I think the standard armrest would go about here. So, you know, almost double, but certainly I think it's going to be more comfortable for the driver, but even give you a little space to share with a passenger. This is leather. It's kind of nice. I mean, it's got kind of this matte finish, nice pebbling. You know, probably could stand maybe a little bit more padding to be really luxurious and comfortable, but has as much padding or even more than the stock Buick Encore armrest. And as you can see, it opens up and it's got nice weight to it. It's actually pretty heavy, so there's nothing really chintzy about it. What you can see here on the underside is we have a couple of tabs here for pens, and then we have a pretty large storage area right here, and then even a rubberized bottom right there. So this might actually block you a little bit more from that cubby in the center console, but you will be able to use this and have more access to things. Now, I also want to show you back here, it looks like we have some places for coins. So if you need that quarter for Aldi or change, you can put them in there. This is actually the piece that is almost the most important piece, and this is what you need for the Buick Encore. This will actually screw into the existing post, but then give you a new screw hole. So I'm just going to show you here that this piece right here will go in here, and then we should have one more very large bolt that should go in on the other side to bolt this in and hold it down. And then in this bag right here, I believe we get the cover that will cover up everything on the outside. So I'm excited. Let's go ahead and get this thing in. All right, so taking this off, I think will be a little different depending on your seat cover here, but there's a zipper basically that has to be opened up so that we can kind of peel back the cover, unzip it, and we're gonna see the guts of this thing. And then right in there, we have a bolt that we need to undo. So I'm actually going to fold down the passenger side seat so I can get access to it. Now to get this nut off here, I think ideally you want a metric set, but I have found that the 9/16 socket here seems to get it off. And if you have a long socket, that's actually probably going to be helpful. So let's get her off. And if you're trying to queue up your tools for this post that's going to go in here, you're going to need a 10mm wrench like this one, and then an Allen key for this long bolt. I think that is a 6mm Allen key, so that seems to work. 10mm wrench, 6mm Allen key. Let's get her in. All right, so now that I got the old armrest off, now we're going to take this post here. I'm just going to start it by hand, and then once I get it all the way in, we'll take that wrench and just tighten it in. You might even want to put a Dada blue Loctite on here just to keep it in there, but I'll tell you, it seems like a pretty tight fit, so I'm not too worried about this coming out. Then once we get it there, just your 10mm wrench, tighten that up. All right, now what I want to show you here is that there's this cover, and that hole is going to have to be lined up with that. That is going to go over that top post, and then that middle post will go right in there. So you might need to kind of use both hands just to line up everything. I'm actually going to close it up here and go ahead. Now I'm just going to kind of try to put it on. All right, so now it's pushed on all the way. You can actually see that top post just peeking out of that little window right there. So now what I want to do, I want to take this long bolt and put it in there, and I might be able to start it with my hand here, and I'll take my 6mm Allen key and tighten that all the way down. All right, now I've got that tightened down. And then I'm just going to take this cap here and go ahead and press this on, cover that up. Goes in just like that. Now what you might notice here is that this is drooping a little bit. So I'm going to lift this up, and then I'm going to spin this. This is an adjustment for how far down it will go. So I'm going to spin it a couple more times, And now I like it right there. That's gonna hold it right there. But this can lift up out of the way. And it will slide forward a little bit to give you a little bit more extension right there. So I love that. That is pretty awesome. Now, if I put the other seat back, you can see basically fills up that whole void. So look at that. Basically it is touching both seats. So now I have an armrest for both people. It takes up that whole spot. I don't feel like I'm just ripping this person off. I don't know why it didn't come with this width of an armrest from the factory. It just doesn't seem to make any sense to not put something there. So I think you are going to be happier and your guests are going to be happier. So pretty easy upgrade that anyone can do with simple tools at home. So this is the before, and this is the after. Look at that. So much better. If you have a dark interior, that's going to match great. If you have that standard black interior, that's going to look phenomenal. But man, look at that. Gives an armrest to both passengers. It's actually a fairly inexpensive upgrade. All right, so I'm in my Encore and I've been driving around, and even if you don't care about your passenger, this armrest is so much more comfortable than that thin, narrow armrest. If you have used it, you know what I'm talking about. There's no way to balance on the top. You're always kind of rolling off one side or the other, so it actually kind of cuts into your arm. While it does support your arm, it's just not comfortable. Because this is so wide and flat right here, I put my arm anywhere on it and it just feels great. Ooh, so sexy. And if you need it a little bit farther forward, you can do that too. You want to let your hand hang off the edge here. And then I also found that you kind of want to dial it in depending on how long your arms are. Really, the nice thing is, because this will go up and down and then you can adjust it with this little dial on the back, you can get it perfect for you. And of course, if you do care about your passenger right there, they can share a little bit of that armrest with you. You have as much as you did before, and now they can have a piece of it too. So everyone wins, but you, especially as the driver, are gonna love this. This is the armrest that Buick should have installed out of the factory. I don't know why they didn't. I don't know where that thin little armrest idea came up from, but it made it in millions and millions of Encores. And so if you want to upgrade to a much better armrest, I would highly recommend it. I will tell you that I don't know that they make this anymore, because a lot of the places that listed this for sale said out of stock, no new stock arriving. So I was able to find this on eBay, and I will put a link to that in the description. But if this is something that you want, I would suggest getting it, because I think Ratty made a new model for the Mokkas, and they're much different. They bolt to the center console. They don't replace the armrest that you have here. So if you do get one of those, you're going to have kind of this ugly hole right there, because you're going to have to take off your old armrest anyway. So this one, no ugly holes, super comfortable. I have access to all of my old cubbies and compartments down there. I love it. I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper.